Welcome back to the channel. If you love long rides but don't want to spend $30,000 on a luxury touring bike, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down 7 cheap Japanese cruisers that ride like expensive touring bikes. These machines deliver comfort, reliability, and smooth highway manners without requiring you to refinance the house. And let's be honest, once you hit 50, you start caring a lot more about back comfort than top speed. Before we jump in, hit that like button, and if you enjoy honest motorcycle talk made for real riders, not influencers trying to wheelie in flip-flops, subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's roll into the countdown. Number 7. Yamaha V-Star 9.5. Oh! Coming in at number 7 is a cruiser that many riders overlook, but those who own one rarely want to sell it. The Yamaha V-Star 950. Now here's the interesting part. Yamaha built this bike specifically for smooth, relaxed cruising, and that's exactly where it shines. It's powered by a 942 cubic centimeter air-cooled V-twin, delivering strong low-end torque and a very predictable throttle response. Translation? It pulls away from lights smoothly, cruises comfortably on the highway, and never feels like it's trying to throw you off the bike. And let's be honest, most senior riders aren't trying to win stoplight drag races anymore. We're just trying to enjoy the ride, and maybe get to the coffee shop before the line gets too long. Comfort is another big win here. The seat height sits at about 26.6 inches, which makes the bike easy to handle, even for riders who prefer something lower and more manageable. The wide handlebars, forward floorboards, and relaxed riding position make longer rides surprisingly comfortable. On the highway, the V-Star 950 feels stable and confidence-inspiring. Add a windshield and saddlebags, and this cruiser quickly transforms into a very capable, light touring bike, perfect for weekend trips or relaxed cross-state rides. Now here's the part many riders love the most, the price. On today's U.S. used market, most Yamaha V-Star 950 models typically sell between about $3,800 and $6,500, depending on the year and condition. For a reliable mid-size cruiser from Yamaha, that's an excellent deal. So what you really get here is big cruiser comfort, solid reliability, and easy handling, without wrestling with a massive 900-pound touring bike in the parking lot. And trust me, your knees and back will appreciate that. If you're enjoying this list of great motorcycles for experienced riders, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Because coming up next is a motorcycle that many riders say is one of the most comfortable cruisers ever built, but hardly anyone talks about it anymore. Number 6. Honda Shadow Aero. Coming in at number 6 is a cruiser that has quietly earned one of the best reputations in motorcycling. The Honda Shadow Aero. This bike is powered by a 745 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin, and if there's one thing riders say about this engine, it's this: it just doesn't quit. These motors are famous for running for tens of thousands of miles with very little drama. In fact, some owners joke that the Shadow Aero will outlast their riding career. And honestly, they might not be wrong. For senior riders, the comfort factor is a big deal. The low 25.9-inch seat height makes mounting the bike easy and gives you solid confidence at stoplights and parking lots, because nobody enjoys wrestling a tall motorcycle when gravity starts winning. The riding position is exactly what you want in a cruiser: relaxed, upright, and easy on the back and shoulders. Perfect for those calm morning rides when the roads are quiet and the coffee hasn't even kicked in yet. Styling is pure classic cruiser. You get large valanced fenders, shiny chrome details, and timeless lines that never really go out of style. Park it anywhere, and it still looks like a proper motorcycle. One feature experienced riders really appreciate is the shaft drive. That means no chain cleaning, no constant adjustments, just ride and enjoy the road. And let's be honest, the older we get, the more we appreciate low-maintenance motorcycles. In the United States, the new Shadow Aero typically starts around $7,999, making it one of the most affordable and reliable cruisers you can buy today. Add a windshield and saddlebags, and suddenly this comfortable cruiser transforms into a light touring machine ready for weekend road trips. And that's really the beauty of the Shadow Aero. It's simple, dependable, comfortable, and built for riders who just want to enjoy the journey. If you're enjoying this list so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow and keeps these motorcycle videos rolling your way. The Honda Shadow Aero proves you don't need a giant engine to enjoy comfortable cruising. But the next motorcycle on our list takes comfort to another level. And it has a feature many senior riders absolutely love. Now let's move on to the next bike on our list. And this one might surprise you. Number 5. Suzuki Boulevard C50. At number 5, we've got a cruiser that many riders quietly swear by, the Suzuki Boulevard C50. Now, this bike may not be the loudest or flashiest cruiser on the road, but ask the riders who own one, and they'll tell you the same thing. This thing just works, every single time. The C50 is powered by a smooth 805 cubic centimeter fuel-injected V-twin with shaft drive, which means fewer greasy afternoons adjusting chains and more time actually riding. And if you've been riding long enough, you know that's a pretty good deal. It also has a very friendly 27.6-inch seat height, wide floorboards, and a relaxed riding position that makes it easy on the knees, the hips, and the lower back that occasionally complains after a long ride. Highway cruising is where this bike really shines. It's stable, smooth, and perfectly happy rolling along at 65 or 70 miles per hour all day long. And if you like a little extra comfort, the C50T Touring version comes with a windshield and saddlebags from the factory, basically ready for a weekend trip the moment you bring it home. As for the price, a new Suzuki Boulevard C50 typically lists around $9,299 in the U.S., but many dealers sell them closer to $7,500 to $8,500 depending on promotions. Used models? That's where things get interesting. You can often find well-maintained ones for $3,000 to $5,000, which is an incredible value for a full-size cruiser. So for riders over 50, the C50 really hits the sweet spot. Comfortable, reliable, affordable, and powerful enough for real highway riding, without feeling like you're trying to park a 700-pound refrigerator at the grocery store. And quick question for you, have you ever owned a Boulevard C50? Tell us in the comments. Riders love sharing their experiences. And if you're enjoying this list of great motorcycles for senior riders, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Because the next bike on this list might be one of the most comfortable cruisers ever built. Number 4. Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. Now, at number 4, we have a cruiser that many riders quietly consider one of the best values in motorcycling, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. This bike is powered by a 903 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V-twin, and what makes it special isn't crazy horsepower. It's the smooth, predictable torque that makes every ride feel relaxed and effortless. Exactly what most riders want when the goal is enjoying the road, not racing the clock. The Vulcan 900 also has something senior riders really appreciate: comfort. The low seat height, wide handlebars, roomy floorboards, and heel-toe shifter make it extremely easy on the body, even on longer rides. Your knees, your back, and honestly, your chiropractor will thank you. Another big plus is the belt drive, which means less maintenance, less noise, and smoother cruising compared to chain-driven bikes. Many owners add a windshield and saddlebags and turn it into a light touring cruiser. But if you want everything ready from the factory, the Vulcan 900 Classic LT already comes with a windshield, leather saddlebags, and passenger backrest. Now let's talk price, because this is where the Vulcan really shines. A new Vulcan 900 Classic in the U.S. typically starts around $9,400, while the LT Touring version is around $10,400 depending on dealer pricing. But here's the real secret. On the used market, you can often find well-maintained Vulcan 900s for $4,000 to $6,000, which is incredible for a cruiser this comfortable and reliable. And once you're cruising at 65 or 70 miles per hour with that big V-twin humming along, you'll swear you're riding something that costs twice as much. And if you're enjoying these kinds of motorcycles that are comfortable, reliable, and built for real riders, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Because coming up next, there's a motorcycle on this list that many riders say is one of the most comfortable cruisers ever built. Wait, which bike is that? Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Number 3, Honda Rebel 1100. Now let's talk about a cruiser that many riders over 50 are starting to appreciate more and more. The Honda Rebel 1100. At first glance, it looks simple and modern, but don't let that fool you. Under the tank is a 1,084 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine borrowed from the Honda Africa Twin, which means this bike has serious torque and surprisingly strong acceleration for a cruiser. Twist the throttle and it pulls smoothly without feeling aggressive or intimidating. But here's the feature that really makes this bike special for senior riders. You can get it with Honda's DCT automatic transmission. That means no clutch, no constant shifting, and no hand fatigue in traffic. Just twist the throttle and ride. For riders who want a more relaxed experience, or for anyone whose knees or hands aren't quite as young as they used to be, this system is a game changer. The comfort is another big plus. Low 27.9-inch seat height. Light, easy handling. Relaxed riding position that doesn't punish your back on longer rides. And despite the technology, the Rebel stays very affordable. In the U.S., the standard model starts around $9,699, and the DCT automatic version comes in at about $10,399. For a modern cruiser with this level of engineering, that's actually a great deal. Now here's the funny part. Some younger riders look at the Rebel and think it's just a calm little cruiser for relaxed Sunday rides. Then the traffic light turns green, that Africa Twin engine wakes up, and suddenly the calm cruiser quietly leaves them staring at your tail light. Not bad for a bike that's also comfortable enough to ride all day. And if you're enjoying this list so far, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We talk about motorcycles that are comfortable, reliable, and perfect for real riders who plan to keep riding for many years to come. Now let's move on to the next motorcycle on this list, because this one might surprise you even more. Number 2, Yamaha Bolt R-Spec. Coming in at number 2 is the Yamaha Bolt R-Spec, a cruiser that proves you don't need a giant motorcycle to enjoy a serious ride. Under the tank sits a 942 cubic centimeter air-cooled V-twin, and this engine is all about torque and character. It delivers that deep, satisfying rumble when you roll on the throttle. Not aggressive, just strong and smooth. Exactly the kind of power many experienced riders appreciate. Now here's where the Bolt really shines. Unlike many traditional cruisers that feel like you're wrestling a refrigerator with wheels, the Bolt weighs about 542 pounds wet. That lighter weight makes a huge difference when you're maneuvering in parking lots, backing it into the garage, or making slow U-turns. And your knees will appreciate this too. The Bolt has a low seat height of about 27 inches, which makes it easy to plant both feet firmly on the ground. Comfort-wise, the stock setup is good, but many riders add a touring seat, small windshield, or saddlebags. With just a few upgrades, this simple cruiser can turn into a very capable weekend road trip machine. Now let's talk price. The current U.S. MSRP is around $8,999, which makes it one of the most affordable big-engine cruisers you can buy today. But the real reason riders love the Bolt? Simplicity. No complicated electronics, no confusing riding modes. Just a reliable V-twin, belt drive, and a motorcycle that starts every time you press the button. And honestly, after decades of riding, most of us aren't looking for more technology. We're looking for more riding. If you're enjoying the list so far, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because the number 1 motorcycle on this list might surprise you. And it could be the perfect bike for your next chapter on 2 wheels. Number 1, Suzuki Boulevard C5 OT. Taking the #1 spot is the Suzuki Boulevard C50T. Now this bike is a bit of a hidden gem. At first glance it looks like a simple cruiser, but in reality it's almost a light touring motorcycle wearing cruiser clothes. Under the tank, you get Suzuki's proven 805 cubic centimeter fuel-injected V-twin engine, known for being incredibly smooth and reliable. It produces around 53 horsepower and strong low-end torque, which means easy takeoffs, relaxed highway cruising, and no need to wrestle with the throttle. And for riders who enjoy longer trips, the C50T comes touring-ready straight from the factory. You get a large windshield, spacious leather saddlebags, a comfortable wide seat, and floorboards instead of pegs, which your knees will definitely thank you for after a few hours on the road. The bike weighs around 611 pounds wet, which is heavy enough to feel stable on the highway, but still manageable compared to those giant 900-pound touring machines that feel like you're steering a small cruise ship in a parking lot. On the highway, this bike just settles into a smooth rhythm at 65 to 75 miles per hour, and many riders have comfortably done 400 to 500-mile days on it without feeling beat up afterward. Now let's talk about the price, because this is where things get really interesting. In the current U.S. market, a brand new Suzuki Boulevard C50T typically sells for around $10,000 to $10,800, depending on the dealership and fees. And if you look at the used market, you can often find well-kept ones between $4,500 and $7,000. That's a serious bargain for a bike that's already set up for touring. And here's the honest truth. You don't need a $30,000 luxury touring bike to enjoy the open road. Bikes like the C50T prove that comfort, reliability, and smooth highway riding can still come at a reasonable price, which means more money left for fuel, road trips, and maybe a really good diner breakfast somewhere along Route 66. Now I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever ridden the Suzuki Boulevard C50T? Or is there another cruiser you think deserves a spot on this list? Drop a comment below and share your experience. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest motorcycle content made especially for riders who still love the road. Even if our backs sometimes remind us we're not 25 anymore. Because remember, the best motorcycle isn't the fastest one. It's the one that keeps you riding.